I'm Chef Don McMillan. We're making cast iron pan pizza. Oh my goodness. You know we made the dough already. So now let's just go ahead and just roll it out so it'll fit into the bottom of the pan. Before I put them in the bottom of the pan though, I'm going to spray it, okay? Hit it with a little bit of spray. This will make a nice crust finish on it. And then we'll just take our dough and bring it right here to the pan. Push it into the corners, just so it fits right there, nested right into the bottom of the pan. Well, I want to make the sauce, and what I have here is the San Marzano tomatoes. We're going to add some more herbs to those. I have some fresh basil. Just pull this off of our basil, and we're just going to give it a little chiffonade. Toss that in there, and the way I chiffonade, I just nest them on top of one another, and then roll them around, roll, and then just cut down like this, chiffonade. Place that right in there. The oregano, I'm going to take it off the stem, just pull it backwards off the stem, just like that. Give it a little bit of a chop. Okay. Place that into our tomatoes, and I'm going to use my fingers, squeeze them together, break them up, mix them all up like that. Yes, do all of that. Yeah, just about there. All right, now I'm going to take the tomatoes and just place them right on top. This is our sauce right there. Smooth it around. Yes. Now, let me rinse off my hands. Because the next ingredient is cheese. And let's go ahead and make this a happy pie. Place lots of good cheese right around it. Get it up to the edges, okay? So important in this recipe. You want to get the edges also. The sauce and the cheese right up there. Okay. And whatever your favorite meats or vegetables are, I have here some sausage. Let's spread that around. Put a little bit so everybody gets a bite. Some pepperonis. Yes, cannot be pizza without pepperoni. So let's get that on there. Yeah. And some onions. We have some red onions. We slice those up, place them on there, and then just because my wife likes hot peppers, we are going to put up some jalapenos. And baby, these jalapenos are hot. So if you like it hot, spice it up. Great. Now, let me tell you, we're actually going to cook the bottom of this pizza before we put it in the oven. We're going to cook it for about 3, maybe 5 minutes, no more, but I want that crust to get nice and brown on the bottom. Okay, I just looked at our crust. I just take a peek at it. Nice brown on it. Now it's going into our oven, 450 degrees. Well, here it is, our cast iron pan pizza. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It is so good. Remember, as we said, to cook the bottom of the crust first and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Man, this is perfect. All right, here's our pizza. What we're gonna do, I just loosen the edges just like this. All right, it's loose, good. This is our cast iron pan pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little slice going in here.
Well, that looks great.
Doesn't that look good?
Can't wait to try it.
I know.
Spicy, sausage, pepperoni.
Nice crust on it.
Nice crust.
Yeah, just gotta get it out of the pan. All right, there it is. Look.
Wow, looks good.
Doesn't that look good? All right, let's put it right here where you can see it. Let's go ahead and cut it up, and we're gonna taste it because we know that's the proof is in the taste. That crust is crunchy. Good. Okay. You ready?
Yeah, let's try it.
Dig in. Whoa, look at that crust. Nice, nice finish.
Oh, I love the crunch on that.
Mmm. Okay.
Better than Pizza Hut.
Are they still around? I don't know.
Let me try some more of this.
Yeah. So listen. Subscribe. Tap our bell. Let us know that how you like our pizza. Look in the comments. Remember, if you support us on Patreon, we're going to give you exclusive content, early access behind the scenes, and of course, no ads. And when you do subscribe, we've got another treat for you. Andrew's going to tell you about it.
So let me tell you what we're going to do. For every 50 subscribers, comment that you subscribe. We'll pick one out of every 50. And we're going to send you these aprons that we're wearing absolutely for free. No matter where you live in the world, you're going to get one. All you have to do is subscribe and let us know that you did. We'll pick one out, we'll contact you, we'll get your address, we'll mail this to you right away.
And you can wear your apron while you're watching our show.
Or cooking the recipes that we make.
That's right. Exactly.
This pan pizza is fantastic. You're going to love it. The crust is crispy. The ingredients look fantastic.
And it's simple.
And delicious.
And delicious.
Right?
Yep.
Let's dig in and get some more of this.
Got it.
That's so good.